Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we'll be removing and installing a door latch in a 2008 Subaru Outback. Now we're going to take this driver's rear door panel off. We're going to start by pulling this panel off. Take a flat blade tool. There we go. That's 3 clips right there. Hold it on. Next, we're going to pull this one off. We're going to pry it down a little bit. There's a little tab right there. And then it pulls out straight and up. Next, we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to pull these 3 screws out. Start with this bottom one. Pull this last screw out. Next, we're going to use some of our trim tools. We sell these at 1aauto.com. I'm going to grab it from the inside. And there's push pins. So we're going to push it, use the trim tools to pry the push pins out. Pull up on the door panel. Next, we're going to disconnect this connector. This is a little push lock. Push down on the lock and it pulls right out. And disconnect the cables that go to the inner door latch and lock. So there's a cover right here. You're going to pull up on the cover. We're going to grab the lower cable and pull it out. Twist and pull that ball out. We're going to do the same for the other. Twist and pull that ball out. Now the door panel's ready to just come off. We're going to take this vapor barrier off. You can peel it. You can use a razor blade. Cut some of this sticky stuff. Sometimes they call this butyl tape. This one, this speaker screw out. That'll peel. Oh. We're going to take this cable off right here. You're going to pop this green lock down first, like that. I'm going to pull on the cable over here. Pull it out like that. We're going to take these 3 Phillips screws out. We can pull this out. We're going to disconnect a connector right here. Push down on the lock right here. And pull it out. There's a little clip right here. Yep. And pull that out. Grab that up. Now we're gonna go back in. Send this cable in first. Stuck on something. There we go. Make sure this lines up. Yeah. Take our screws, Phillips head screws. And get this cable back in this bracket, like that. I'm gonna go right here. Cable. Stick the cable in the lock. We'll push it down into that bracket, and then we'll lock the cable. Oops. There we go. Cable. Stick the cable in the lock. And we'll push it down into that bracket, and then we'll lock the cable. Oops. There we go. We're going to put our vapor barrier back on. We'll take these cables, push them through there. We'll start in the back here, corner. It's all set. Now we're gonna reinstall. We're gonna start with the cables. You're gonna start with the small one. This one's actually the lock. Get that ball in and then through the slot. And we're gonna slide that down the slot. Then we're gonna take this other ball. This is for the handle part. Put it in that hole. And slide this down that slot. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it a little bit. There you go. And you can put the cover down. Next we're gonna take that connector for the window switch, and we're gonna slide it in, lock it in. You're gonna slide this groove up top near the window first. Push it down and line these clips in. Give it a little push. Next we're gonna insert these Phillips head screws with our Phillips head screwdriver. Next one. And the last one. Next we're going to put this trim piece on. Line it up down below. Just push. Next we're going to install this trim piece. Get it lined up. And then push so it locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.